Hello, welcome to the second video of my electronic lab series. I will speak about current source. In last video I mentioned that I am making for myself a lab current source, and now it is finished. You see, it has output terminals, a range selector and a regulation. Output is in parallel with this, and input is between 12 and 45 volts, or maybe between 5 and 45 volts, as mentioned here. So I will supply it with the standard transformer like this one, and it's a current source. We can regulate output power, but something went wrong. You know what? I have not anything connected on output. Anything. You see, there is one output, second, third, all in parallel. So if I show you electronic circuit, it will be clear that power source, that is the circuit of the power, of the current. You see, that is output here. If nothing is connected to output terminals, we expect no current on output, and I have here some current like we have load. Here is output circuit simplified. As you can see, the current flows from collector, through emitter controlled by IC, through output terminals, and through this resistor. Here is high impedance input to operational amplifier. No current can flow here. So if my instrument, this display is connected here. So when the loads are opened, it's not possible that we have output current, but you see, everything functions. I can regulate power. If I go to another range, so something went wrong, and that is what sometimes is happening when you build yourself electronic devices. So must open it and look for the source of this error. What is the problem? So simply the current flows. The current flows here, and nothing is connected on terminals. Nothing is connected here. So we look, where is the problem? You see this detail. You see this detail. There are part of wires by mistake here connected. You see this? I have removed one. I will cut it off, cut it out, because it makes me a problem. I must cut it out. And this. And this one. Okay, so now it seems our outputs are not connected. Okay, everything seems good, and I will connect it again. I connect it again. That is without load. Without load outside, there must be no current on output. So this video, by surprise, has led to the practical advice when you are working, making yourself devices for your lab. Sometimes things are not functioning as you expect. So you must always analyze your schematic, locate the problem, and then try to find what could go wrong. Thank you for watching. In next videos I will show you for what you can use this lab current source and more about functioning. Thank you. Bye.